I have a trio of toothy tips to help your children look after their teeth. So number one is make sure you're brushing twice a day for 2 minutes. If you're struggling with the length of time, you can try and make the whole thing a bit more fun. Maybe play a song for 2 minutes, their favorite song, or do a little sing along. So for 2 minutes, twice a day, super important. Once in the morning and last thing at night before bed. My tip number two is spit, don't rinse. So what that means is after you've brushed your teeth, spit out all the excess, but don't rinse with water afterwards, because that actually washes away all the goodness of the toothpaste, which if left on the teeth, can continue to protect them. And my tip number three is take your children to the dentist. Try and introduce that even before their first birthday. It establishes a good routine, and remember, it's free, and it gives us an opportunity to give you guys some dental advice that can really help the children. Maybe bring the kids along when you go. Get your kids to the dentist.